In today's video, I'm going to show you two platforms that you can use for video generation completely free. The best part is, you don't need to add any card details at all. The second platform even supports an extend feature. You simply need to log in with your Gmail account, and after that, you can generate multiple videos. Another important thing is that there is no visible credit system, and as of now, these platforms have not mentioned any fixed limits on their websites. So right now, you can use them quite freely. Let's start with the first platform. The first platform is Grok AI, which is a Chinese platform. First, open it and click on Try Grok Chat. If you choose to download it, the application will be installed. But for now, just click on Try Grok Chat. Here, you can see that there is no credit limit yet. After that, simply log in, click on the plus icon, upload your image, write your prompt, and click on Go. You'll see that even with a simple prompt, a very good video gets generated. You can also download the video. The second AI platform that is currently completely free for video creation is Meta AI. First, search for Meta AI and log in. Here as well, you can see that there is no credit limit right now. Then click on Create, select Videos, click on the plus icon, upload your image, and click on Animate. Your video will be ready. You can also extend the video further if you want. For more updates, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.